Hey everyone, Greg Bickley with Schluter-Systems here. I hope you guys are staying safe and your families are healthy and doing well. Here we are in my bathroom, and I want to share a tip with you guys about one of my favorite profiles that we offer called the DECO-SG. It comes in different widths for different thicknesses of glass, so this will either hold 3/8 inch glass or 1/2 inch glass. It also comes in different heights for thicknesses of tile. You install this profile when you install the tile, and what it does is create a channel for those fixed panels of glass to be installed. So when the glass installer comes back, all he has to do is silicone and set the glass. There's no more drilling holes through that waterproofing you work so hard on and getting that call back from the customer saying their shower's leaking. So think about this profile next time you have a shower to install, especially a curbless. You can see here, it goes in the floor. Very clean, seamless, there's no brackets. There's really nothing that you see except the glass going into the tile floor. So give it a shot on your next project. Thanks for watching, stay safe. We'll see you all soon.